Now today we will derive the electric field of the shell by the Gauss theorem. There are the three situations. First, electric field outside the shell. Second situation, electric field on the surface of shell. Third thing, electric field inside the shell. There have three situations. First, second and third we will derive one by one. First situation, electric field outside the shell. Suppose this is the spherical body, spherical object, but inside the part of the spherical body is hollow. अंदर कुछ conducted नहीं है, अंदर only air, but charge is distributed only on the surface. So there have considered three cases. Case first, when we will take a point P outside. This is the case first. Case second, on the surface. This is the point P will come out, and this is the on the surface. Case second, and case third, when the point P come out. This is the case third. So there are three situations. One by one we will learn. Now, case first, when point P outside the shell. Point P outside the shell. जब point P को हम outside से लेंगे तो then find the total electric field. On that situation, again we'll draw the shell, shape of the shell. Suppose this is the shell. This is positively charged. ये positive charge कैसे आता है? I have already told in previous video. And this is the radius of the cell is capital R. We will consider a point P. This is the point P outside the cell. Outside cell, then point P पर we will draw the Gaussian surface. So that is the Gaussian surface on the shell. The surface in spherical form. We will consider a surface area vector and electric field also. Electric field is non-uniform way because in all directions the electric field are distributed. And the surface area vector on the surface is, that is the electric field, and surface area is also at that point same. It means that electric field and ds angle between them is 0 degree. Now the charge distributed on the surface, then we consider the surface charge density. Surface charge density sigma is equal to q upon area. Area what? Area of the shell. And what will be? 4 pi r square. Then find the q. Sigma into 4 pi r square. That is the net charge on the shell. Now, by the Gauss theorem, integrate E dot ds is equal to q होना चाहिए इनक्लोज्ड, मतलब गॉसियन सरफेस के अंदर का टोटल चार्ज अपॉन एप्सिलॉन नॉट. तो ई डी एस, ई और डी एस डॉट ओपन करते डी एस कॉस थीटा आता है एंड थीटा विल बी 0 डिग्री. देन ओपन द डॉट प्रोडक्ट, देन व्हाट विल बी ई इंटीग्रेट डी एस क्यू इनक्लोज्ड. क्यू इनक्लोज्ड कितना है? टोटल चार्ज इनसाइड द सेल निकालिए था, सिग्मा इंटू 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर upon epsilon. Now the ds is the surface area at that point P surrounding them. तो what the surface area will be 4 pi, लेकिन यहाँ से जो हम रेडियस लेंगे this will be consider स्मॉल आर, बिकॉज स्मॉल आर इज द वेरिएबल पॉइंट, वेरिएबल रेडियस। पी तो कहीं भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पर, यहाँ पर, यहाँ पर। यू विल टेक अ पीक एनी वेयर एल्स, यहाँ पे पी ले सकते थे, यहाँ भी पी ले सकते थे। पी विल टेक आउटसाइड द सेल, तो आर इज वेरिएबल पॉइंट। देन द टोटल surface area of that point we put here what 4 pi small r square, and solve them. Then we will E into 4 pi small r square is equal to sigma 4 pi capital R square upon epsilon naught। 4 pi से 4 pi cancel, तो electric field what will be E is equal to sigma capital R square upon epsilon naught small r square. That is the electric field outside the cell. Then we draw the graph. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वर्सेस स्मॉल आर। स्मॉल आर आपका होना चाहिए ग्रेटर देन, बिकॉज विच वी हैव कंसिडर हियर, जो स्मॉल आर है जो ग्रेटर देन कैपिटल आर है, तो वी कैन आल्सो राइट द हियर कंडीशन आल्सो स्मॉल आर इज ग्रेटर देन कैपिटल आर। तो सपोज इज द पॉइंट पी आउटसाइड द शेल, तो इट विल बी द ग्राफ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म। Here is electric field inversely proportional to R square. Now, case second क्या है? When point P on the surface, when we take a point P on the surface, suppose we will bring the point, suppose consider a shell which is positively charged and this radius is capital R. If the जो पॉइंट हमने यहाँ P आउटसाइड लिया था, we will take towards the cell and the point P here come here, इस यहाँ अपना लेके पॉइंट P को यहाँ पे लेके, इसके मतलब पॉइंट P इस कम here, इसका मतलब जो R होगा कैपिटल R के बराबर हो जाएगा। इस मीन दैट स्मॉल r इक्वल टू कैपिटल R, all conditions are same, then find the electric field is sigma r square upon epsilon naught, small r क्या लिखते हैं कैपिटल R square, cancel, then electric field what sigma upon epsilon। now case third, what will be when you will take a point P inside the cell के inside अंदर, what will happen? This is the spherical cell and take a this radius capital R, we will take a point P here, इसका मतलब small r is less than capital R। Then we draw the Gaussian surface surrounding them. Then what will happen? Integration E dot ds is equal to q what? Q enclosed upon epsilon naught, and solve them। EDS surface area of them E into radius is R है, तो 4 pi R square, लेकिन Q enclosed inside the Q, charge is only distributed on the surface, then charge 0 epsilon naught is, electric field will be 0। it means that when the point P take inside the shell, electric field 0, on the surface electric field is constant। and now we will draw the complete graph as here, when the point P from the center inside, मतलब this region is R is less than capital R. Here is electric field is 0 on that point P on the surface. This is the on the surface point. On the surface point electric field is maximum. How much? Electric field is sigma upon epsilon naught, and after that electric field is gradually reduced. So see, we will go away from the cell. Electric field is gradually reduced, tends to 0.